Hey everyone, today I'm diving into something mind-blowing, the scientific miracles found in the Quran. Whether you're a believer or just curious, these revelations will leave you in awe. Let's jump right in. First up, the Big Bang Theory. In Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30, it says, "Do not those who disbelieve see that the heavens and the earth were a closed-up mass. Then we opened them out." This verse aligns with the modern understanding of the universe's origin. Incredible, right? Next, let's talk about the expansion of the universe. Surah Ad-Dariyat 51:47 states, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander." Scientists only discovered this in the 20th century, yet the Quran mentioned it over 1400 years ago. Now, on to embryology. Surah Al-Mu'minun 23:14 describes the stages of human development. "Then we made the sperm drop into a clinging clot, and we made the clot into a lump, and we made the lump bones, and we covered the bones with flesh." This matches modern embryology exactly. Another fascinating one is the protective atmosphere. In Surah Al-Anbiya 21:32, the Quran says, "And we made the sky a protected ceiling, but they, from its signs, are turning away." We now know the atmosphere shields us from harmful radiation and space debris. Let's talk about mountains now. Surah An-Naba June 7, 78, mentions, "Have we not made the earth a resting place, and the mountains as stakes?" Mountains do act like stakes, stabilizing the earth's crust. Amazing, isn't it? The concept of deep seas and internal waves is also there. Surah An-Nur 24:40 describes, "Like a darkness within an unfathomable sea which is covered by waves, upon which are waves, over which are clouds." This perfectly describes oceanic phenomena discovered recently. Another miracle lies in the water cycle. Surah Az-Zumar 39:21 states, "Do you not see that Allah sends down rain from the sky and makes it flow as springs in the earth?" This describes the continuous cycle of evaporation and precipitation. The Quran also talks about the role of iron. Surah Al-Hadid 57:25 mentions, "And we sent down iron, in which is strong material as well as many benefits for mankind." Scientists found that iron isn't native to Earth but came from supernova explosions. Incredible. Next, the barrier between salt and fresh water. Surah Al-Furqan 25:53 says, "And it is he who has released simultaneously the two seas, one fresh and sweet and one salty and bitter, and he placed between them a barrier." This phenomenon is known as estuaries. Finally, the pain receptors in the skin. Surah An-Nisa 4:56 reveals, "Indeed those who disbelieve in our verses, we will drive them into a fire. Every time their skins are roasted through, we will replace them with other skins, so they may taste the punishment." This implies the presence of sensory receptors in the skin, which wasn't known until recently. Isn't it fascinating how these revelations align with modern science? Whether or not you're religious, it's hard to ignore these incredible insights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.